Enterprise environments have evolved radically over the last 10 years. They're much more sophisticated, and the Edgy phone was designed with that in mind, to live in harmony with these much more sophisticated, much more elegant spaces.
From a user experience standpoint, the Edgy is really integral to its environment. From the lighting, to the UI, to the way the user actually physically touches the buttons, it's just natural.
The idea there was to build a beautiful looking phone with nice finishes and state-of-the-art features. It all comes together to create this truly remarkable experience for our customer.
With the design team being based in Santa Cruz, we took a lot of inspiration from the outdoors. We had white sand from the beaches, the color deep blue from the beautiful ocean. Our product is a reflection of our environment, and we really wanted to showcase that. Our users are experiencing this device from every angle. We not only wanted this device to stand out, but we also wanted to blend into its atmosphere.
There's a lot we've done to ensure that the product feels at home and integrates, really becomes an extension of the end user. We want the product to look natural in its environment. We're following trends in architecture, automotive, fashion.
We have approached the device from multiple angles. We try to hone in on the details. We're very excited about our improved acoustics on the Edge E400 and 500. We have multiple acoustic chambers for the speaker on these phones, which enhances the bass by threefold. These improved acoustics greatly enhance users' experience when using hands-free mode.
With hoteling, people not having a fixed desk, they have to bring part of their kit of devices with them, and the Edgy allows people to do that. Users can bring in their own device and seamlessly connect their mobile phone, their headset, whatever it may be, and really make that device theirs for the day, or for however long they're in a given space. We've done a lot of research in the field, and we've looked at a lot of end users' environments, and the traditional desk is kind of going away. Our devices have to be able to communicate status and state in any number of environments. We feel that the LED halo really allows us to do that.
There is a lot that we were able to accomplish with the Edgy series. Certainly making it a part of the Poly family and leveraging our design language across the board. Everything from these highly sculpted surfaces, the very unique color and materials applied to this product. We've never seen anything like this in the market before. And what we were trying to do is create an experience that was very pleasurable and intuitive and seamless for the end user.